This is an exciting moment for me. This is the first time I've ever bought a brand new vehicle, and it's a new van. It's behind me. I'm here collecting our first brand new fully owned Artisan Electrics van. So in a minute I'm going to show you what it's all about, but why am I getting this new van? Well, it's because we are hiring. We need more electricians, and this van could be the van for our next new electrician. So I'll talk to you in a bit about who we're looking for as our next Artisan electrician. But first, let me show you the new van. My friend Stefan, he's a legend, enthusiastic South African. He's sorted me out with this van and my electric transporter, which is coming later on in the month as well. I'll get Stefan to show you a little bit of a van tour.
Hi guys, I'm Stefan, I'm the enthusiastic South African, and today Artisan Electric is picking up their brand new caddy. Come with me, I'll show you a little bit on the inside. For the first time, the caddy has got the same platform as the relevant Golf in its place. A lot of the interior bits has been designed specifically for the driver. Just a really great cabin. The newest steering wheel. A lot of the climate control, it's all touchscreen systems, even the light controls with a touch of a button. The caddy does not have a normal handbrake. A lot of really great bits and pieces, even LED lights on the inside. Let me take you to the back. You can see on the back, very different design. Obviously the A1 VTS signature. Just an altogether really great vehicle. And yeah, Jordan's gonna take this one away today, and thank you for the business.
This is mad. Absolutely love it. This is like the poshest van I've ever seen. The interior of this feels like a brand new VW car, and the seats are so comfortable. But this is like the top spec, top of the range, everything, and it's just going to be so comfortable and easy to drive. In fact, I might end up driving this all myself. It's automatic, which I just love because I've got used to not having to change gears now, driving around in an electric car, so that's really cool. It feels quite spacious inside, super comfy seats. They're all like adjustable and everything, like electric adjustable. Absolutely love it. So how about we take it for a spin? Can't quite believe it. This is all very exciting. Proud moment for me because it shows that we're really on track and we're really growing now. The fact that we need this. Let me sit down and I'll talk to you about it for a sec. You're probably thinking I'm completely insane actually. Like, why has he bought a van when he doesn't even have an electrician to put in it yet? Yeah, that's probably a good question. But the fact is that in the next few weeks we will be taking on one or maybe two new electricians. The interview shortlisting process has already started. In a bit we'll go and have a coffee and I'll talk to you about what we're looking for. If you potentially are an electrician who's looking for work, maybe you could be the next Artisan electrician. The reason we needed this van is kind of several reasons. One is I've been working out of the back of my Tesla for the last few months since Corey came on board. Actually, that's like 6 months ago now. Since Corey came on board, he's had my Ford Transit Custom, and I've been working out the back of the Tesla, which is lovely to drive a Tesla around to work with you, but it's not very practical at all. So I've ended up kind of trashing the seats. The boot can't fit all the tools I need in, so I end up having problems when I try and do a job because I'm missing some tools. So I figured, you know what, I need a van. I ordered the VW Transporter electric because I wanted an electric van. However, that's probably going to be too big for me because it's a long wheelbase. It's actually a massive beast of a van, and realistically I'm not working on the tools very often. So a small van like this might be ideal, but also we need a new van for our next electricians. So we've got this, we've got the Transporter. One of these will be going to the new electricians when they come on board. I've not decided which one yet. When we get the Transporter, then I'll probably decide between this and the Transporter which one I choose for my van. But it's just very exciting. This is kind of like the foundation upon which the next phase of Artisan Electrics is going to be built. And I want you guys to let me know in the comments what I should do with this, because you've seen before I got the Transit Custom all racked out with Sortimo racking. I'd kind of like to do Sortimo racking again, but it's insanely expensive. I don't know with a van of this size how practical it is to actually have racking, because it's not very big. So if you rack it out, you kind of got less space to play with in a way, but you can compartmentalize everything. Also, I'm going to get obviously extra security stuff fitted, so I've got it booked in for all like the slam locks and a beefed up alarm system and stuff like that to go in, so that's going to happen. The other question, should I get it wrapped or should I get it sign written? Because I'm really tempted, as I own this van completely, I'm tempted to just get it wrapped, which would be really cool. So that's another question that's going through my mind. Do I get it wrapped or sign written? Obviously wrapped is a lot more expensive, but it would look amazing and it would protect the paintwork. The other thing is pipe tubes. I think I'm going to need to get 1 or maybe 2 pipe tubes on the roof. So that's something we need to get sorted as well. So there's all this stuff going on in my head at the moment, which is it's all pretty new, and I'm figuring it all out as I go along really. But it's nice to have you all with us on the journey. I would love to hear all your comments about it. But let's talk now about the candidate for our new job, because that's the most important thing. We're growing so fast now that, like, Corey's fully booked until the middle of September now, and that's not acceptable. We can't tell customers that they have to wait for like 10 weeks before we can do their installation. So in order to basically halve our installation time, we need to take another full-time electrician on board just for EV charging, and we also need another electrician to cope with all the other work that we've got coming in, because we're doing loads of EICRs, consumer unit changes, remedial work, all the usual electrical work as well around Cambridge and elsewhere towards London. So 1 but maybe 2 new electricians will be coming on board with us in the next few months. So let's go and grab a coffee and I'll share with you what we're looking for, what kind of person we're looking for. See you back at my house. Doing great electrical work is a bit like making great coffee. It takes care, time, attention to detail, and great ingredients. And we are recruiting. Here at Artisan Electrics, we are all committed to giving every customer the best possible experience. That makes us choosy about who we recruit. Would you like to be the next Artisan electrician? Well, you will fit the bill if you are a people person who knows how to be polite, friendly, and respectful. If you care deeply about the quality of the work that you do. You'll have a strong desire to do the very best for every customer. Always show up on time, or let the customer know if you're running late. Turn up looking smart, and always leave the customer's home spotless after every single job. We don't expect you to be perfect or know everything, but we do expect you to be eager and willing to learn and act on your own initiative to achieve a good result. In turn, you'll become part of an amazing team who are there to help each other to achieve the best possible result for our customers. Would you like to be the next Artisan electrician? If everything I've just said resonates with you, if you are the kind of person that we're looking for, here's how you can apply for a job at Artisan Electrics. We're looking for qualified electricians, and if you are such a qualified electrician with all those qualities that we've just talked about, send us an email to jobs@artisanelectrics.co.uk. Send us a copy of your CV and a short video of yourself telling us about yourself, who you are, what you've done, and why you'd like to work for Artisan Electrics. We'll review all the candidates and we'll get in touch to let you know if you've been shortlisted for the interview stage. We're really looking forward to having some great new electricians join our team, and we hope that you can be a part of it. There's great things in store for Artisan Electrics. We are growing, we're expanding, and there's going to be some great opportunities ahead for anyone who joins our team. So I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.